Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you how to create a VMware using VMware Workstation Pro 16 and how to install Windows 10. First, we're going to open VMware to create a virtual machine. Here class, create a new virtual machine, and then typical, just click next, and then I will install the operating system later, and then next. Here, we're going to choose Microsoft Windows, and then the version is Windows 10 because Windows 10 yung i-install natin. Hanapin natin si Windows 10. Ayun. And then next. Here, papalitan po natin yung Windows 10 ng file name na gusto nating kung anong virtual machine yung ano natin. Here, I will use my surname. Okay. Then next. So here, 60 gig lang po yung ating ilalagay. Okay na yan. And then, split virtual disk into multiple files. And then next. And we're going to before we click the finish, we're going to customize the hardware. So here we have 1 gig memory and the processor. Palitan po natin yan ng isa. And then close. And then, pagkatapos po natin ma-set up yan, bago natin i-click yung finish. Ito, yung hard disk ay 60 gig and then the memory is 1 gig. And then, click finish. Meron na po tayong virtual machine. Okay. So, pagkatapos natin gumawa ng virtual machine, so ipa-power on na po natin siya para makapag-install po tayo ng Windows 10. Power on this virtual machine. And then, pag may lumabas po na ganito, no lang. Gusto ko i-full screen ko siya. Para ma-full screen siya, Control, Alt, Enter. Yan. Hintay lang po natin. Okay, dito, nakita po natin, operating system not found. So, kailangan natin siyang lagyan, installan para magamit po natin. So, first thing to do ay kailangan po muna nating i-set up yung BIOS niya para install tayo doon sa makapag-install tayo ng Windows 10. So, set up muna natin yung kanyang BIOS. So, para ma-set up po natin, restart po natin yung ating VMware. Control, Alt, Insert, and then press F2. So, ayan. Nasa BIOS setup na po tayo. Punta lang po tayo sa boot tab, and then, piliin po natin yung CD-ROM drive. So, para ano po natin, maging top priority siya, so nakalagay naman po yung instruction dito. So, press lang po natin yung plus and minus. Dahil pataas po siya, so I will press the CD-ROM drive. Yan. And then after that, press F10 to save. And then, yes. After po natin ma-set up yung kanyang yung BIOS, exit po tayo dito sa ating virtual machine para i-set po natin yung ating CD-ROM drive. So, Control, Alt, and then Control, Alt, Enter. So, after po natin ma-set up po yung BIOS, punta po tayo dito sa lower part, right side, and then hanapin po natin yung CD-DVD kasi yun po yung ating top priority sa boot menu. And then, click, and then, Settings. So, check po natin yung connected. And piliin po natin yung use ISO image file. Browse po natin yung Windows 10. And then open. And then okay. So balik po tayo sa VMware. So double click lang po dun sa black screen. Yan. Nasa VMware na po tayo. Para maging functional po yung settings natin na binago, restart po natin yung ating VMware. Control Alt Insert. Full screen agad ulit natin. Control Alt Enter. Ayan, naglo-loading na po siya. Wait lang po natin yan. Okay, wala po tayong babaguhin dyan. Sa language, sa time and keyboard. Just click next. And then, click install now. Wait lang po natin yan. Dito, we don't have the product key. Click po natin yan. I don't have a product key. And then, piliin po natin yung pinakababa na Windows 10 Pro N. And then next. And I accept license terms. Then next. Custom install Windows only advanced. Ito po yung ating pipiliin. And then here, hindi na po tayo magpa-partition dahil maliit lang po yung 60 gig. So, click lang po natin yung new. And then apply. And then okay. Tapos kung gusto niyo naman mag-partition, pwede naman po. So, next lang po, yan. So, ito po yung i-select natin yung partition number 2. Yung mas mataas. Kasi ito, for system reserved kasi yan. So, next lang po. Dito, para mas mapabilis natin yung pag-install natin, so, press Shift F10. And then here, type task-ngr. And then press enter. Okay, choose po natin yung processes in a tab. And then select setup.exe. Right click, set priority, and then change into high. And then click change priority. Next, yung isa pang setup.exe, right click, set priority again, and select high, and change priority. Then close lang po natin, and then close. Ayan, ang bilis na. Hintayin lang po natin mag 100%. Ayan, 100. Hintayin lang natin. Installing features, installing updates, and then finishing up. Finishing up. Ayan, and we're going to restart now. Huwag na po magpipress dito ng NK kasi uulit kayo sa umpisa. Yan, wait lang natin. Ayan, naglo-loading na po siya. Starting services. Lapit na po yan. Getting ready. Ayan. After getting ready, nag-restart po siya. And then, after mag-restart, and then yan po lumabas, just a moment. So, malapit na po tayo sa exciting part. Hindi, sa finish. Wait lang po natin ulit. Yan. So, dito, United States lang. And then, click yes. And then, just a moment again. Next, yes lang din dito. And then, skip po natin to. Just a moment again. Let's connect to a network. So, to finish it up, you need to connect to the network. So, wait lang natin. So, select po lang natin dito, I don't have internet. And then, just a moment again. Here, select connect with limited setup. Just a moment again. And again. So, type lang po natin yung ating name or computer. Type lang natin. Kahit ano po yung magiging name po ng computer, especially kung sino po yung pangalan ng may-ari, yun po talaga ang nilalagay. Dahil dito, lagay lang po natin yung computer. And then password, o wag na po tayo maglagay, hayaan na lang po natin yung silang maglagay ng password. Next lang. And then just a moment again. Dito, select lang natin yung accept. And just a moment again. Here, accept din po natin. Select natin yung accept. And, yan. Nag-hi na po siya. And we're getting everything ready for you. Malapit na po yan. This might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Yan lang po natin yan. Leave everything to us. Malapit na. Kunting kembot na lang yan. Almost there. Yan. So, that's all. How to install Windows 10. Okay na po. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching.